Hello, wonderful elementary staff. While we are doing distance learning, we're going to be utilizing a Google form that we're calling the weekly learning log for accountability for students. So let me show you what that's going to look like for you. Here is the link to our Google form in our staff distance learning doc. When you open it, you should have all these editing options at the top. Please do not edit or do anything to this form. This is the shared form we are all looking at. So you need to make a copy, and you're gonna have to make a copy every week of this form for your students. So I'm gonna click on the three dots up here and click make a copy. You're gonna wanna do a different one every week so that your responses right here, you don't get a million in one form. You wanna do a different form every week so you can see who's completed it each week. So I might do week of April 1st, weekly learning log. And then say okay. So I've named it something specific, so that will help me and my students later, and then I would name it something consistent for sure. So now I can take this doc, because this is my new renamed one, and I can send it out to my students. You can do it via email, you can send it to their parents, you can do a link and put it on your website or in their Google Classroom and share it with them each week. So you'll want to do the same thing for the next week. You'll make a copy of this form and do it for the following week as well.